Hey, what's going on guys? My name is Alex and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to download Minecraft Pocket Edition 1.12.0.13. Before I start, make sure you enable the subtitles on my videos to understand better what I say. And if you want to download Minecraft on your computer, make sure you watch my previous video and I will leave a link in the top right corner right here. And yeah, let's start. Of course I'm gonna leave the link in the description, and once you click it's gonna take you to MEGA.NZ. I've uploaded Minecraft to MEGA.NZ because you can download it faster there and you do not have to skip any ads and all of this bullshit. And once you're here, click download. It's next to opening up in Mega app. And after it has finished downloading, in the middle where it says again download and open in Mega app, it will say save the file. Click on top of that, and then Google will say in the bottom of your screen will say do you want to keep the file? Click OK, and then it's going to be saved on your phone. And after you have done that, go to the file explorer or my files or whatever it's called on your phone, and then go to where you have downloaded Minecraft. Mine is in the internal storage and then in the download folder here. And as you can see, it says mcp.1.12.0.13 beta.apk, and after that click on top of it and it's gonna load the installation, and click install, and it's gonna start installing Minecraft, and it's going to take about 1 or 2 minutes. I won't install it right now because I've already installed it. We're just going to load it right now. And as you can see, here is Minecraft. And once you open Minecraft, it will say to you, do you want to turn off screen reader? I do not know if it shows it to you also, but for my phone it says it. I'm pretty sure it's for everyone, but the screen reader, I'm pretty sure what it is. You know what it is? That here it reads whatever it says on the screen. And we're gonna load right now our test word. And if you want to join in a server, for example, Hypixel, CubeCraft, Mineplex, and all of these popular servers, you won't be able to, because you need to you need to sign in to your Microsoft account. Because if you don't, you won't be able to join. It's simple as that. And as you can see right here, it's working perfectly fine. The sensitivity is too high, and sorry if this part of the video gets a bit laggy. I'm playing with 30 FPS right now. I'm recording at the moment, so it's going to be a bit harder. And if we try to join, for example, Hypixel, as I said, I won't be able to because I need to sign in to my Microsoft account. We're gonna wait for a bit right now. It's lagging a lot. Okay, done. If we go to servers, and here's Mineplex, we're gonna wait for a bit to load the servers. If I click, it says sign in for free, so you need to create an account. And that's the video, guys. Thanks for watching. If you have any video ideas, tell me in the comment section and I'll try to make them in the future. If you have any problems, tell me in the comment section and I'll try to help you as much as possible. Thanks for watching, guys. Like, subscribe and share, and I'll see you in my next video. See ya.